mean, let me make sure, cause man, every time I get in this car, and we be trying to make sure things are working right, man. Next thing you know, I got music playing in the background. We're gonna pause it. Yeah, we're gonna pause it. All right, cool, bet. All right, so I guess we good. Let me make sure. Oh yeah, we good. Got the, yeah, let me stop. I'm just feeling. So we talked about buying our own test pipes. So I ordered the right ones. They should be here in a couple of days. I'm probably going, this probably like for this week, this is probably gonna be my last day driving this car this week, because what I want to do is, like, let's say for instance tomorrow I get off work. If I know it's coming Wednesday, hey, I want to take off the lower test pipes, down pipes tomorrow, and just when the parts get here, boom, go ahead and just be ready. Just a quick install. I see people be struggling on YouTube, man. These bolts are like rusty as shit, man. It's like, dang. As soon as you start trying to take it off, you start rounding off with some bolts, and that's all she wrote. And also what I do want to get is some what do you call it? Some upgraded hardware. I mean, I do get upgraded hardware with the bolts, but sometimes you got it, like sometimes, like if you ever install any exhaust part on the Q50 or any of the new cars, whatever, you they come with like these studded lugs, these bolts, whatever, right? And the only way you can take them out is you beat them off. I mean, beat them off. Like you gotta hit them out. But 9 times out of 10, by the time you take off the part, you like, man, fuck it, this shit can stay. Just, you know, put the bolt back on and hope the guy stays. You know, that's what I did, and that's probably so wrong. But yeah, that's what I end up doing. So if anybody ever asks me, man, I don't even know if y'all can see that, but I broke a wrench, spindle wrench, off of my 14 socket that's on my test pipe, and I finally got that thing loose. Man, if I tell you what I had to do, that was crazy. See it? Alright, there you go. Alright, check it. So I should have known better. Oh my gosh. It's like the 3rd time I've done this. But I put a adapter on this. I put an adapter on this so it can fit, right? If y'all don't know, the adapters, I think I got, yeah, some right here. So check it out. So I put one of these adapters on the socket, on this socket, trying to take off the test pipe bolts. And man, you know, my God-like strength broke that joker off in there. The problem is not that I broke the adapter. The problem was the bolt was stuck on the test pipe. How do I get this socket off the test pipe? You know, ingenuity. We figured a way. I'll tell y'all a secret later. Follow, like, and subscribe, and I'll tell you how I did it. All right, I'm convinced that I got godlike strength, because this is insane. I just broke a freaking extendo. Oh man, that's insane. Another one. All right, so good note. We got some breakthrough. We got the first bolt off. Let me see if I can find you, Bolty. Where are you? There you are. See that? We got that nut off. We're good. Yep. So we got the first nut off. We have to jack the car up to get to the second bolt on the driver's side, because it's underneath going up this way. Gotta take that bolt off. And other than that, should be good. This side has 2 bolts, so I'm gonna try that.
Hours later, tomorrow.
So let's see what we got here. Hold on, Roxy. I'll be right back. All right. Well, we finally got the right ones. Oh, put my Coke down. Got my test pipes in. Countless test pipes. Good. Alright. Cool. Looking good. Nice. Let's do it. Alright, so I was able to take the 2 bolts off at the top up here on the passenger side and the 1 bolt on the driver's side. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I have broken multiple tools. I don't know if I made a video about it. I don't know if I made a video about it, but I have broken these little angler kits. Bro, I've been breaking tools left and right, man. I think, yep. Bro, at this point, yep, another one, bro. Like, I had to invest in impact angle sockets, whatever, adjuster, whatever these things is. Definitely worth every penny. Harbor Freight always. I even got some extensions too as well. Some nice extensions, longer ones. Got that pipe right there. No diddy. But yeah, definitely took some time. All right, we're gonna jack the car up. I just want to also remind y'all, don't forget to it's this one right here. You definitely need the one with the 3 holes. Don't forget this one goes on the passenger side. Just thought. As I work all day. Oh, who's that? Is that Mr. Brown?
I got the real tools.
Oh, hell. Damn. What was that? Took some time, but we got these bad boys out. So hopefully all is well. Thank you, Mr. Brown. Hey, yo, shout out to my boy, Dakota, Mr. Brown himself, for helping me get these fucking cats off, man. Thank you. All right, well, time to finish her up. Let's go ahead and install these new lower down pipes and get this thing on the road. All right, we got the test pipes installed. Now we just got to put the water pipe on and we will be in there. Fucking in there, man. Yeesh. Tell you. It's a little different. It's a little different now. Alright. Like, yo, I can't make this up, man. I done messed up my pinky, man. Pimp down, 32. Man. Anyway, time to install the water pipe. Once we install the water pipe, we're good to go. And we're gonna crank this bad boy up and give it a good old, rev up and drive it around, see what's up. All right, cool. So everything's installed, about to put the tire back on, and we're gonna give this thing a good start up and see how it sounds. That's my wife over there. Oh, prego, look at her. Test pipes, water pipe, muffler delete. Let's see what it sounds like. All right, finna see how the Q50 sounds with a with test pipes, well, excuse me, lower down pipes, Y pipe, and muffler delete. Let's see. Alright, y'all, so testing out, see if there's a difference in the car. Sound wise, sounds about the same, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know, what you think, babe?
No, it does sound a little different to me.
Sound a little different? Does it feel different? That's a snake.
That was a snake.
Does it feel any different?
Hit a gas again?
Alright.
Because it sounds like... Oh, wow.
Okay, yeah, that's different. Whoa.
Oh, wow.
I didn't see that one. I did not see that.
What was that?
I don't know. Don't even know. That was a lot different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We both were
Like, whoa, yeah. Okay, that was a little different. So different, I might just go on the main road.
Well, that was another snake?
I don't know what that was. Okay, that's loud.
See? That sounds different.
My name is Blackstar. I'll surpass the power of the god.
Extrabulous.